Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Vinci. How are you all doing? I hope so that you all are great. Be safe in this COVID time. This COVID has attacked India terribly. So please be safe, wear double mask, sanitize yourself and avoid going out if possible and only go out if it is necessary. And if it is not, please stay at home. Now, coming back to our class today, now, we did a lot of part of fraction. Okay, now I have also completed simplification of fraction. Now, simplification of fraction, there are various variations, out of which only I did the first variation that included only the addition and the subtraction portion. Now, if we talk about class 3, class 4, after the addition and subtraction comes the multiplication part. And before the multiplication, we have something known as test of divisibility and reducing. Both we have already completed. Now if somebody tells you that okay, I will be teaching you all the multiplication of fraction, we need to first understand these two concepts. If the test of divisibility and reducing of fractions is clear, then your multiplication will be clear. Okay, I hope so that you all have understood this point. And if by chance, if you all have not watched my videos on test of divisibility and reducing of fractions, I will surely leave the link down in the description box. Please go and do check that out, because we need to know test of divisibility. It should be in our hands. Like we know ABCD, we know 1 2 3 4 numbers, basic numbers, we need to know that also. So without further ado, let's begin with the first sum and show you what is this multiplication of fraction and how is it to be done. So let's start with the first sum. It says 3 by 4, that is 3 whole number 3 by 4 into 2 whole number 2 by 5 into 1 whole number 1 by 3. Now this type of sums is very easy to do. First of all, step 1, we need to know that we have to convert the mixed fractions. Now it is not compulsory that in each sum we'll get mixed fractions. Okay, in my later sum I'll explain that part also, that okay, if 2 are in mixed fraction, 1 is not, leave that 1 aside, complete the conversion of the mixed fraction and then start the sum. First of all, we complete this. 4 3s is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. This becomes 15 by 4. Okay, then into sign, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. This already I have explained you, so I will not waste my time on explaining this part. 3 1 is 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Now we need to reduce this now. Now first of all, we can go like this, we can go like this. Okay, we cannot go like this, we cannot go like this. Always remember this. Understood? Now let's start cutting. This 4 and this 4 may cut. 4 ones are 4 ones are. This 5 and this 15 may cut. 5 ones are 5 threes are. This 3 and this 12 may cut. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Okay, now over here you see in the numerator we have 3 into 4 into 1, that gives you 12, and in the denominator we get 1 1 and 1, that is 1. So we can either write the answer as 12 by 1 or 12 as your answer. I hope so the first sum, the first example was clear to you. This is a simple way how will you do the cutting. Okay, now I forgot to tell you one more thing in which we can cut is, we can cut like this also and like this also. Vertically we can cut. Okay, horizontally we cannot cut. Numerator will not be getting cut by the next numerator. N and D can cut. Okay, now second example we'll move on. Second example is 4 whole number 1 by 2 into 5 whole number 1 by 4 into 8 by 21. Now, if you notice one thing out here, the children, they get confused in one of the factors that, okay, sir, this is in mixed fraction, but this is not in mixed fraction. So what we have to do? Nothing, beta. It's simple. First convert this to, and then start the multiplication of the fraction or whatever the question asks you. This becomes 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 2 into 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 4 into 8 by 21. This will remain as it is. It will not be changing at all. Now time to reduce. So first of all, see the common numbers if it is cutting. 21 ones are 21 ones are. Simply cut. Now either we can take this, we'll take a longer way of cutting. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Okay, and now in the numerator we have 9 into 1 into 1, that will give you 9 by 1 or 9 as your answer. Okay, I hope so that these two sums have made it clear. Now we'll do the final sum. Okay, the final sum we will do it together. You can pause the video and you can do along with me. Okay, now the first copy the sum for me. It's 3 whole number 2 by 7 into 1 whole number 1 by 23 into 2 whole number 1 by 12. I would like the students or whoever is watching this video, please pause the video and try to solve the sum and then come back and look at the answer. As I've told you in my previous classes, there's no one to judge. See, I'm telling you everything in depth. Otherwise, you'll tell me Vinci ने बताया नहीं. Vinci सब कुछ बता रहा है. He's dealing and he has dealt with every portion of fraction which is necessary to come. So let's complete the final sum, which is very easy. Now, first of all, we have to convert this into improper fraction. 21, 21, 23 by 7 into 24 by 23 into 25 by 12. 12 twos are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay, now we'll start cutting it. Okay, now 23 ones are 23 ones are. Okay, 2 6 are 2 12s are, 2 3s are 2 6 are. Okay, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Or directly we could have cut this 24 and this 12 as, instead of doing all this laflabaji, we could have done that 12 ones are 12, twos are directly. But in order to show the basic cutting portion out here, that is why I did this type of cutting, so that people understand how to break the cutting up. Okay, now over here we are left with 2 and 25. So 2 into 25 will give 50 by 7. Because in the denominator we have 7, we have 1 and we have 1. Okay, 7 1 7 and 1 7 is 7. Now since the numerator is larger, okay, now we'll divide it and convert it into back to the mixed fraction. So 7 7s is 49, 4 1 1, 7 whole number 1 by 7. So answer is 7 whole number 1 by 7 is the answer to this multiplication if we solve it. I hope so that by these examples my explanation to this topic is clear. And if you have any doubt, please you may leave your comments down in the comment section, and please let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. We are about to reach 500 subscribers. Please show your love and please subscribe to my channel, Learn Vinci. So this is Vinci sir signing off. Until next time, bye bye and do take care.